And here's one we did earlier. The little blue tits and that usually get in there. They do say that the size of the hole matters, but hey. You've seen the bird boxes? It's easy, nothing too technical today. It's a Sunday, eh? We've got the blade cranked right up as high as it would go on the table saw. And then we need to give a bit of angle on it. That'll do. We're going to cut this so that when we put the roof on it, it will give it an angled roof so the water comes off the top. The saw didn't cut deep enough, so we're just going to finish that off with a hand saw. So I can find one that my wife hasn't been pruning apple trees with. She doesn't know the best one's in the van. This is just an old hollow bit of chestnut, and it came out of the tree that, if you'd seen the other videos, of course, just click the subscribe and you'll see them all. But you'll see that we cut a dead chestnut down, and that's a little hollow bit that I just saved off of it for no good reason. I suppose had it been a bit longer I could have cut it in the middle to make 2 nest boxes, but I think we've nearly got enough birds as it is. I think they eat more than I do, which is pretty good. Okay, now we're going to make the hole in the front. I'm just going to take the back off flat so that it fits nicely on a piece of wood. So brace yourself for the noise. It's just a little old gash piece of wood that came off a job I've been doing. Doesn't matter what it is. I mean, this is a piece of oak, so it'll probably last a bit longer, but whatever. Give it a mark down to one side. I'll cut it to the table saw. Looks about okay. Nicely on there. We've got to find something to make a lid and a bottom. would be better really if we cut a piece of an angle on the top of there. Don't you think? We've got enough meat in here, we can just put that on with one screw, and then the boss, when she cleans the nest boxes out in the springtime, we'll only have to take one screw out to clean it. You can put hinges and things on them, but it's not really very successful because they go rusty and don't undo anyway, so. That's a useful little thing with the countersink at the top of it. Got several that the same size, different sizes that you can get wooden plugs for the plug cutter. I mean, for doing nice carpentry work, not for bird boxes, huh? There we are. We've got to have a little hole there because the little chappies like to have somewhere to perch before they can go in their home. What are we going to use for that? A dowel. I think we can persuade that. Voila! We've got to have two holes to screw it into the tree. One there and one there. Very bad thing to do, screwing things into trees, but... Alright then folks, better than going down the store and wasting all your hard-earned money, isn't it? Just amuses me to keep making things. I'll drive everybody around the bend with it, but there you are, I hope not you. So give us a thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe. Next is seed trays and sowing of the broad beans.